Are you trying to create a private server on Roblox but don't know how to do it on your laptop or PC? If you want to create a private server just for you and your friends, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a private server on Roblox step by step. So let's get started. First, go to roblox.com. To open the homepage, then search for the game you want to create private server for. For example, I'll use Please Donate. Click on the game to open its main page. Next, scroll down a little bit and look for the Servers tab. Here you can see the Create Private Server option. Click on it. You need to pay 20 Robux for it. If you have enough Robux, you can easily buy a private server. After clicking Create Private Server, select the server name and click Buy Now. Now you have your own private server. So that's how you can buy a private server of a game that you like. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.